guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Zita with Second Gaze Restoration. So today I am going to run through just two of my new favorite products that I've just started using. They are Amy Howard at home Venetian plaster. I know you've heard me talk about this several times. And the cracked gesso. I don't think you've heard me talk about this as much. So I'm going to start with the cracked gesso. So the cracked gesso is a product that you put on top of furniture. And then you kind of use antiquing glaze and wear it away while it's kind of wet. And it is just so, it's so cool to use. This finish that it creates would not be something that I would say is my my style of furniture or whatever, but the process of creating it is so much fun. I really like it. I think I like the mixing of the mixing of the cracked gesso, and then you apply it, you let it dry, and then you just sponge it off. I am going to be uploading a video. It's going to be really still pictures of the process when I did this table that I love with these two products. The cracked gesso will be at the bottom and the Venetian plaster will be on top. And I'll make that and I'll connect it to this video so that you guys can see the process. It's just an awesome process. This is an awesome product, and yeah. I'll be doing more videos actually showing you how to use this stuff, okay? And then the second product that I wanted to talk to you today about is the Venetian plaster. The Venetian plaster is my favorite, okay? It is really my favorite. I love gold leaf, silver leaf, sterling silver leaf, you know, copper leaf. I love those the leaves and the golds and all of that, but I really like this Venetian plaster. So when I did the table that I'm talking to you guys about, I did the cracked gesso at the bottom, and it was an older table. It looked like it was fine, but it had like little gouges in the top, so it needed something to go over it to make everything kind of smooth. Paint wouldn't have just done it. It would have still had gouges in it and stuff. So I went with the Venetian plaster, and I did not disappoint, okay? So I've been using this for, I don't know. I've been using this for a while now. You know, this is one of the products that I ran across when I was doing my course, and I kind of gravitated to. So I also like to do art. So what I did was I brought you a picture of how the Venetian plaster looks on a piece of art. So when I'm doing my art, I usually start with some kind of base. It could be your texture paste or whatever. That is just my preference for all my artwork. That's what I do. And then you color the Venetian plaster with milk paint. And so that's what I did. I colored it with milk paint. Colored it the blue color with milk paint. I do have a video of that already up. And then I did a Venetian plaster on it. Now you see a lot of cracks in it. I don't mind cracks, but if you don't want cracks, you have to lay it on much thinner than I did. And I kind of like cracks in my stuff. I just like my artwork to have a lot of dimension and depth and a lot of interest and movement in it. I don't like for it just to be flat and smooth and stuff like that. So that was all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. The Venetian plaster and the cracked gesso. The link for these products will be in my description, or will be below. Okay. Yes, thanks for coming in. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you know every time I post. And yes. Have a great day, create and enjoy.